Good morning, it's Tuesday the 7th of June and this is your daily outlook. The euro edged lower yesterday after European officials said that further financial aid for Greece is not certain and that Greece's debt crisis is far from over. Eurogroup chairman Jean-Claude Juncker said that the euro is overvalued, further putting the single currency under pressure, and focus now turns to the European Central Bank interest rate meeting this week, where investors expect hawkish comments on inflation. The euro remains well supported by interest rate hike expectations, while the US dollar is likely to resume its loose monetary policy for an extended period of time. With ECB President Trichet keeping a hawkish stance during his speech, saying that policy must adjust in order to ensure price stability in the Eurozone. Against the dollar, the euro fell as low as 145.56 from 146.57, and today the pair recovered its losses to trade at 146.39. The US dollar recovered slightly yesterday as Philadelphia Fed President Pelosi's hawkish comments supported the greenback after he said that disappointing employment data does not change the outlook for the US economy and that monetary tightening may occur by the end of the year. Against the safe haven Swiss franc, the dollar edged higher at 0.8374 from 0.8329. Against the Japanese yen, the dollar dipped below the 80 level, trading as low as 79.97 from 80.39. The Australian dollar dropped sharply after the Reserve Bank of Australia kept interest rates unchanged at 4.75% today. In the following statement, the Reserve Bank of Australia sounded less hawkish, saying that rates are at appropriate levels, indicating that monetary tightening may not occur in the near term. Against the dollar, the Aussie dipped to 106.72 from 107.67. Oil prices fell to $98.28 a barrel from $100.46. Gold jumped to $1,553.45 an ounce and retreated to trade at $1,541 during the US session. Silver edged higher at $37.26 an ounce but later fell to $36.31. Now let's take a look at the currencies to watch out for. The euro-dollar pivot point is at 145.55 with a preference to enter into long positions at 145.65. The dollar-yen pivot point is at 80.40 with a preference to enter into short positions at 80.35. The Aussie dollar pivot point is at 107.25 with a preference to enter into short positions at 107.25. The sterling dollar pivot point is at 164 with a preference to enter into short positions at 163.90. And the dollar CAD pivot point is at 0.9820 with a preference to enter into short positions at 0.9820. Now let's take a look at commodities. The oil pivot point is at 99.40 with a preference to enter into short positions at 99.40. The gold pivot point is at 1535 with a preference to enter into long positions at 1535. And the silver pivot point is at 36.08 with a preference to enter into long positions at 36.08. And today's calendar and market movers are the Swiss Consumer Price Index in May, forecast to fall 0.1%, and Europe retail sales in April, forecast to gain 0.4%. Now on to equity markets. US equities were negative on Monday with the SP 500 trading down 1.08% and the Dow was down 0.5%. European bourses were mixed with the FTSE trading up 0.14%, the DAX was down 0.34% and the CAC was down 0.70%. At the time of writing, the Nikkei was up 0.44% and the Hang Seng was down 0.72%. This has been your Daily Outlook. I'm Emma Andreou from the easy-forex dealing room. Have a good day.
Not only have you found a great place for Forex news, you found a great place to trade it. Registration is easy. Just click Join Now. Membership has its unique benefits, such as the freeze rate, the trade simulator, the inside viewer, and personal dealers. Your personal account manager is waiting for you now.